Hello, welcome to kromaXAI. Ready to set up your bot? Let's get started. Open your remote desktop app. Look for the plus button on your screen and tap Add PC. Enter your IP address. Click on User Account, then select Add User. Enter your username and password, then click Save. Click Save again to confirm. Now, tap on the PC you just added to connect. Next, choose your preferred broker. For example, let's use XAUUSDc. Click on File and select Login to Trade Account. Enter your MT5 account details. And click OK. Once the charts open, close all of them. Now, hide all pairs by selecting Hide All. To add a new chart, click on Add, then select a pair. For example, XAUUSD. Open the chart window and set the time frame to 5 minutes. How to add a URL. Click on Tools. Select Options. Click on Expert Advisor and allow it. Copy the URL and paste it. Click OK. You're done. How to add a file. Click on File and select Open Data folder. Now, open the MQL5 folder and go to Experts. Copy the file from your Downloads folder. Paste it into the Experts folder. Next, hold Expert Advisors, refresh, and click the plus icon. Your bot file is added. How to attach the bot to a chart. Hold the bot file and click Attach to Chart. Then, allow it. Now, click on Input and then click on Load to load the bot setting. Finally, click OK. The bot is now attached to the chart. Thank you for watching this video.